Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Savvy. Today we are going to learn about Grafana alerting. Grafana alerting is nothing but an email notification which will be sent by Grafana whenever our server or any node will be down. So we are just configuring alerts and we will get email from Grafana server. Whatever source we will attach, in this case or right now we are using as a data source as a Prometheus. So whenever any Prometheus node or Prometheus server will be down, so Grafana will send alert to us. This is our EC2 dashboard, and as you all can see, these are the servers which we have created in our previous videos. So let me log in into Grafana. EC2 user, SSH key, monitoring key, bookmark as a Grafana. So let me update the system first. So as our system is updated, now let's start how to configure alerts. So these are the steps which we are going to perform for alerting. We just need to give a SMTP configuration, then data source, then data dashboard we need to create. But before that, let's explore Grafana dashboard. So as you all can see, this is our Grafana dashboard which we have created in our previous video. But before starting and configuring alerting in Grafana, let's just explore little bit in Grafana. So it will help us to understand more. So I will just directly go to dashboard and I will click on new dashboard. And but before that we need to configure a data source. So we will go to here and we will go to configure and data source. Under data source, as you all can see, Prometheus is present. So let me just change the IP address of this, and rest all the things will be same, just like in our previous videos. So okay, I will just change the IP address here, and here even let's just change the name little bit, Prometheus server. It will look like very presentable. So just save and test. So it is tested successfully. Prometheus is working fine. So let's test it, and it is working fine. Okay, so just go to dashboard and click on new dashboard and add panel. So whenever we click on add panel, we will get this panel detail and all those things. So we will explore more how beautiful Grafana dashboard look like. So we will go and select a Prometheus server here, and under Prometheus server you can select a matrix from here. So let's just type CPU second total, and as you can see in right side we can give a panel name also. So we will give CPU total. You can see in downside there are lots of things which we can give. Let's explore. First let's click on run query. So whenever we will click on run query, we will get this kind of graph here. So we can change this graph with the bar, pointers, pointer size also we can increase or we can reduce. Line also we can change in this way or this way or this way. Any kind of line we can take. Line width we can adjust. we can give panel name as per our choice. We can give description. This panel is having CPU total details. So, and you can see in our site we can create it as a bar chart also, or we can create it as a state, or we can create in a gauge. But as of now I am just keeping it as a time series data, and I will just apply. You can see this panel is reflecting. We can adjust the size from like this. Okay, let me add some more panels also. So let's just add like HTTP total request, and let me run the query and give this panel name as a HTTP request. Same, I will type in description also, request total, and I will give this as a bar. Where is that? Here we can give it as a bar and apply. So again, just click here and we can adjust this near this HTTP request. Now let me add one more, add panel, click Prometheus server, click metrics, and you can see memory byte. Let's check byte total is present or not. Byte, see where is that? Byte total, memory state allocated byte total. So let me try to change it in the form of gauge, or let's just see what is command state. Okay, let's take it as a gauge and name it as a byte total, and then we can change it as it is. We will keep it all those things same, and I just click apply, or we can reduce the size here like that. We can adjust the space according to our wish. See, and also we can click on edit. See here, we can edit all those details from dashboard only. We can type byte total here or anything, whatever we want to update. Just apply. See, so as you can see how beautiful we can design our Grafana dashboard. Let's just save it, and we need to give some name. So Prometheus server dashboard folder we are keeping in a general. Save. Okay, so as you can see, this is our dashboard, which is looking very beautiful. So let's just go and configure alerts in Grafana. So for that we need to go to dashboard, and here we need to create one new folder for alerts. So just click alert, or we can name it as a Prometheus create. Okay, so just go to alert rules, or we can do one thing. We can directly go to our dashboard, and let's go to our HTTP request and click on edit, and we will go to alert. Under alert we will create a rule. Under rule panel you can see our alert rule dashboard is here. So for that we just need to create one query, but before creating a query or anything, we need to configure SMTP into our Grafana server, because then only we will get the email alerts in our email ID. So just go to Grafana dashboard and go to etc grafana.ini file, sudo vi. Okay, under this file we just need to find SMTP. Okay, Okay, this is our SMTP section. Press I into keyboard. Okay, I'm sorry, just enter, and after that just start editing here. Or we can do one thing, we can instead of editing existing detail, we can just copy paste our existing SMTP configuration which we have created in our file, just paste it here. So okay, and escape :WQ and restart once this our Grafana server sudo systemctl restart Grafana server service, enter. Okay, so fine, we have configured our SMTP. So let's just read our steps, what they are saying. We need to configure SMTP, which we have created. We have created data source as a Prometheus. We have also created dashboard. So now next part is we need to create alert rule for that. Okay, so here this is our Grafana dashboard. Cancel. Okay, back. Let's go first CPU total and edit. Okay, so under CPU total, let's go and create alert rule. We can create instance equal to which instance we have. What is the IP address of our Prometheus server is 140, right? So we can create 140. See, other one is the 9091, that is, I guess, let me check which server is that. 9091 is for node exporter, I guess. No, it is for push gateway. Yeah, it is also reflecting here. And why node exporter and alert manager is not reflecting? Because the servers are not running. Okay, and let's run the query. See, that data is there. Then just go down, alert evaluation. Okay, in 1 minute or for 5 minutes. If the server is down, then we need alert. Okay, then add alert detail. Okay. So I am keeping these things default as of now, and save and exit. Okay, what they are asking, group name. Okay, we need to select folder and we need to group it. So let's give any name, Prometheus group, and save and exit. Okay, and then we just need to apply it, and then we go to our alert rule section. Under that we need to put some contact points, that are the email IDs. So let's add new contact point, and here we need to give email ID like we can give Kanchan AWS demo @gmail.com. We can give any number of email ID here with the separation of comma, and let's check whether we are able to take test email. But before that we need to give name. Okay, let's give it as a Kanchan Soni, and let's test it. Okay, send a test notification. 1 second. Okay, alert is sent. Let's check in my email box what if I have received any email, test email from Grafana or not. Okay, as you can see, I have received one test alert from Grafana. So it means our SMTP is working fine. Okay, now go to alert rules. As you can see, our alert CPU alert is working normally. You can see just now we have created CPU total alert. It is working fine. You can see there are some alerts reflecting here which is in firing state. Let's see what all are these. You can see this is our node exporter IP address which is down. if we want this fire should not be there, so what we can do, we just need to, one second, log in into our node exporter. Okay, and we need to check the status first. Sudo systemctl status node exporter service. As you can see, this is inactive. Let me start it, and let's just make enable also, so that each time we no need to start it. Enable, you can see the status. Okay, node exporter is running. Okay, so it will take 1 or 2 minutes and it will go out from this firing state. So let's do some experiment here. Let's do some update in CPU total, or we can create a stress to our CPU. So let's see. As you can see, our CPU usage is 0 as of now. Let me create one more duplicate tab and just keep it here. Okay, let me create some stress into the server. Enter. Okay, you can see it is increased. Okay, just go to Grafana dashboard and refresh it. Okay, meanwhile let's just create one more alert. So go to dashboard, under general dashboard there is our Prometheus server dashboard, and as you can see, heart means it is working fine. Let's go to HTTP request and edit, create alert rule, create rule. Okay, let's just create some rule like okay, just select job this time, Prometheus, and let's give them some expression, and that is minimum below 5 requested. Let's select and let's run the query. Okay, so just choose the group, Prometheus group. Okay, save and exit, apply. Okay, also let's do some modification in CPU total also. We have not given any condition, so go to this and click edit and give some condition here. Okay, which one is that? Okay, just we need to give maximum. Okay, maximum we can go 50%. Okay, run query. As you can see, 50%, save and exit. Okay, apply. So just go to alert rules and let's check now. As you can see, first see this Prometheus server is now running, everything is running fine. And let's see here, see these are the alerts which we have created. Now we need to test whether it is working fine or not, so we need to wait some time. Okay, as you can see, as I have given HTTP request should be less than 5 only, but so many times we have clicked on this Grafana server, so this is came into pending state. Soon it will be in a firing state and we will get an email about HTTP request. I guess let me change the time little bit. Edit panel here, and let's just change this time for 1 minute. Okay, as you all can see, it is under firing state now, as our HTTP request into Prometheus server is now more than 5 for 1 minute, so it is coming under firing state. So let's go to our Gmail and let's see whether we have received the email or not. So okay, as you can see, we have received HTTP request email alert regarding the instance. So this is about our Grafana alert. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.